Who's here?
Morning.
Good morning. Hello. All right. Do you have a nice sunny day today?
Yeah.
Oh, me too. I'm so happy it's sunny by me. It was cloudy and rainy yesterday. I'm glad the sun is out today. Oh, I see you got your Mother's Day pictures there. You can cut. You're gonna color those for your mom?
Yes.
Oh, good. You will love those. Okay, here's the other girls. Here is Lily and Siabu are here coming right now. Where is our friend Ariel and Amelia? Let's look for our friend. Here is Amelia coming in. And there's Amelia. Where is Ariel? Your sound working yet, Amelia? Oh, I hear some noise. Whose house is that?
Yeah.
Oh, I see the top of your head. So I don't know which one you. Oh, there's two tops of two heads. I think you can turn your. Can you? There you go. You guys know how to adjust. Oh, look at your fancy shirt you're wearing today, there, Lily.
This is a dress.
You look beautiful. Stand up. Let me see. Stand up. It's a dress. It looks like it. Oh, beautiful. Wow. You got plans?
I'm wearing a necklace.
You got plans today? You going somewhere special?
I put it in the shop.
You just wanted to look fancy today? Amelia, is your sound working? Can you hear me? Amelia? Yeah, you can hear me today? Okay, because you're a little quiet. I want to make sure your sound. Oh, then there's our other friend, Ariel. He looks fancy today too. Is it Fancy Friday and nobody told me? Is it Fancy Friday? No one told me? All right. It's all girls. How did that happen? Okay, so today we are making our Mother's Day birdhouse craft. Who's got their supplies by that wants to show? You should have your purple piece of paper or your birdhouse. Daisha has hers. Mine is gonna look different, girls. I'm gonna make something to look like there. She got a heart sticker. Daisha, you have your black heart sticker? And you should have three popsicle sticks. And yes, that one with the birdhouse. My birdhouse looks like this. And Lily and Siabu, I sent you the one that looks like mine since I guess your package didn't show up yet. And Ariel. Ariel, did your package show up? You have the birdhouse like Ms.Julie. So we have about half and half. Some have the same as Ms.Julie. Oh, there we go. You have the same as Ms.Julie. All right. And yeah. So we're going to color. If you have one, color, and then you're supposed to put your sticks on, and we're going to work on a Mother's Day song too. All right. Okay. What are you drinking, Ariel? It must be so yummy. Chocolate milk? Chocolate milk, Ariel? Is it good? You got a nice bow in her hair too today. All you girls look so nice. Is it Fancy Friday? All right, let's welcome everybody. Oh, you know what? Sasha, hold up your paper. If you guys, when Ms.Julie talks, no, your coloring one. Sasha, the one that with the hearts, the one in front of you on the table. Sasha's got her paper. So if you guys want to color your Happy Mother's Day coloring page, I gave these to you guys too. Amelia, let's show you in your package. You can color this for your mom or your grandma, and it should be in your package. Okay. Sasha was first. Sasha's here today. Sasha's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Sasha's here today. Bzzz.
Why is this a bumblebee?
Yeah, bumblebee. We're talking about bumblebees next week. This week we were doing birds. Siaba's here today. Siaba's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Siaba's here today. Slither, slither, slither. A snake. Lily's here today. Lily's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Lily's here today. Buzz. Oh, Ariel's here today. Ariel's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Ariel's here today. Buzz. And Amelia's here today. Amelia's here today. Everybody shout hooray. Amelia's here today. Buzz. Amelia's gonna go find a flower. Buzz. Good job. All right. All right, girls.
Bad bee.
We had a tricky letter this week. So we're gonna review our letters because we're at the end of the alphabet. Oh yes, Ariel, good job. Ariel, hold that up. I'm gonna hold mine up too.
How can I take one?
Okay, you can do that, Amelia. Good idea. But we are working on our letters first. So I sent this to your printer a few minutes before class. It's got the birds and it's got the ABCs on it. Girls, you guys can just write that on, you can just practice your letters on the back of your paper if you want. If you have the bird picture like Ariel does, you can take a crayon or pencil or marker and you can work on tracing the letters with Miss Julie as I go over the letters. And if you didn't print it, that's okay. You can maybe print it later. You drank it all, Ariel. It was so good. It was so yummy, Ariel.
Yeah.
What were you drinking?
But I have two of them.
You have two?
Papa.
What's the other one? Oh, that's the birdhouse. Yes, you have the one with the ABCs on it in the birdhouse.
I got two. Oh no.
Yeah, they look great, Ariel. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna hold up a letter, and then either you write it on the back of your paper or you trace it on your ABC paper, Ariel. Okay? All right. Here is the first letter. F. F.
Right there.
Can everyone write the letter F for fish on their paper or trace it? Can you find your F on your bird, Ariel? There's a letter F on one of the birds. There's the letter F on there.
F and a small letter, right?
You can pick whatever one you want. You can write either the big or the small, the capital or the lowercase f. Lily, are you going to color too? Lily, are you going to color you're going to use? Oh, yes. F for flower. F for friends.
Big F, small F.
All right. Let's see if I can find a letter for someone's name. Let's see. There's a bunch of A's. I'm gonna pick a tricky letter for you guys. Tricky. Oh, I know. You know your letter. All right. Whose letter is this?
Who letter is this?
S for Sasha. Anybody else have an S in their name? Look at think of the letters in your name. Do you have a letter S? Ariel does not. Amelia, you have an S? No. But Siaba does. Yes, Siaba has a letter S in her name, the lowercase, the small. Yes, you do have an S in your name, the small one. If our friend's name was Sam or Susie, it would start with the big S, the capital S.
I think Susie starts with Peppa.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Susie is a Peppa.
Yes, you're right. Susie Sheep is on Peppa Pig. Good job there, Ariel. That was great.
It's for cartoons.
Yes.
Cartoons.
What is this?
Who knows this letter?
I think it looks like A.
This looks like
Michael.
no. This is not A. Lily, do you know what letter this is? Lily. Very good. This is L. Amelia, you have a letter L in your name. You have a small L, lowercase. And Lily has a capital L and a lowercase.
I did that. A big.
You have a small L in your name, Ariel, the last letter. A-R-I-E-L.
L. Big L.
L. I have an L in my name too.
Small L is like 1.
Who's writing their letters?
L. Small L है big L बनाओ.
Okay. Oh, here's a popular letter. A lot of you have this letter. A for Amelia. A for Ariel. Ooh, us. Who has an A in their name? Sasha has an A in her name. And I don't. Very good. Did you, is it capital or lowercase? Which one did you write? Very good. I see capital over here. Amelia, you write small or did you write the big one?
I can't wait it.
Oh, you didn't do it?
I can't wait it.
Try. It's your letter for your name. You could do it.
This is like A.
Okay. Ooh, how about this one?
Fine.
H for horse or H for happy. I'm happy I get to see you guys. H for happy.
Right.
H for
No, it's not.
hungry. Who's hungry? Did anyone eat their breakfast this morning?
Me.
Good job, good job. Good job. Yeah. H. Which one are you writing? The capital or the lowercase?
I'm gonna do the lowercase.
You don't have to do both. You can just choose one. We're
I'm
just
gonna do the lower one.
good. Good job. The small H for the word hop. The bunny was hopping down the road. Ooh, you guys know this letter? Very good, Sasha. E. Who knows what the E sounds like? What does E say? Eh.
Slowly, smally बनाओ.
E says eh. Egg. Egg. Who ate eggs for breakfast? Egg. Egg. Elephants. Elephants. Lily, are you writing any of the letters? Can I see you writing? Oh, Ariel's singing for us. Good work. Amelia, what did you write? You have an E in your name. You have a small E in your name, Amelia, just like I do. Ariel has a small E in her name. And Lily does too. A lot of us have small E in our name. Lowercase. Small E. Oh, guys. What it was a difficult letter for you guys. Oh, I know. This one for queen. Queen starts with what letter? Queen.
I did it.
You did what? Which letter did you do? Show me. I see it, but very good job. Good job.
I'm gonna do my heart.
Where is my letter Q? Where's my letter Q? Everybody make a Q on their paper. Q for queen.
I did.
Q for quarter.
I did.
You did? A circle with a little line in it?
I did.
Q for question. Here it is.
I did.
It looks like this. Q. Q for quarter. Who's got a quarter for the bubblegum machine? Q. Did you do that? Did you do the big Q or the small Q? Which one? We're gonna be done in a minute. No need to be anybody need to be upset. We're just practicing. Everybody hold up your paper and show me the letter Q. This is the last one for now. And we'll review. Good job. Thank you for showing me your hard work. Daisha, did you make a Q? For Queen Elsa? Queen Elsa of Arendelle?
No.
Aw. Who likes her? All right. Now, our letter was Y this week. What were our Y items in my bag? What was in the Y bag? Does anyone remember? There were a couple items in here. There was a color.
Yes.
Say, Y is for yellow. Y is for yellow. I have the yellow marker. Good job, Amelia. Great work. Y is for yellow. Y is for yellow. Let's see what else. Y is for, ooh, we only went over this once or twice. Yolk. The middle of the egg is called the yolk. Y is for yolk. Yolk.
See, listen to Ms.Julie, beta.
Ooh, what's this one called, girls?
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Sasha said it. That was quick. Yo-yo. Y-O. Y-O. Yo-yo. Yeah, that's
I
a,
saw a football.
oh yeah? This is a type of boat. A very fancy boat. Called the yacht. Everybody say yacht. Yacht. Do you see the lowercase y there? There's the word yacht. You got to go by the ocean and maybe you can see the fancy boats. The yacht. Okay? And ooh, you've seen boats before? Wait, when you went to Florida, right? Amelia?
No purple.
Amelia, when you went to Florida, you saw the fancy boats? I bet you did. Yeah, I bet you did. I want to go soon. Okay. What was this animal called?
A cow. And
He's cousins. Amelia, he's cousins with the cow. His name is the yak. Yak. Y-A-K. Yak. He's very fuzzy. Look, he's kind of friends with the buffalo and the cow. He's their cousin, the yak. Y-A-K.
okay. I'm in shape.
And then here was one we had, and then we'll be done with Y.
Yoga.
Yoga. Ooh, yoga is fun because it's an exercise. And you can take deep breaths, and you can do pose like butterfly and flamingo. You can stand on one leg. And tree, you can blow in the breeze. So yoga starts with our lowercase y. All right. I'm going to put my Y stuff away. Now, let's make our birdhouse. You guys can all color the birdhouse. Now listen, we have two different birdhouses going on. Sasha and Amelia, yours is light purple on the light purple paper. And Ariel, Lily, and Siabu have white with Ms.Julie, and it's got a big heart. So first you want to do is cut your birdhouse out.
Okay, that's my birdhouse.
So you need scissors to follow the lines. Amelia, yours is easy to do, so you could try to do it. I bet you can do it.
Julie.
Yes, Ariel.
Ms.Julie.
Yes, Ariel. Yes.
Okay, go to the lady.
Go. Yeah, you do it. It's okay. They're so nice. Okay, girls, you got your scissors? You're going to cut with me? We're going to cut the birdhouse out, and then we will color it, and we'll glue the sticks on. And the words on the birdhouse says, I love you with all my heart. If you guys have your
Yeah.
Careful with the scissors, girls. They're not, they want, you need to be safe. Now listen, when you guys' kits show up, you can make the other version with the sticks and the purple paper. Lily, Sabu. Hopefully your package will show up, and Ariel too. I don't know what happened. And so you guys can make the other version too. So look, I cut mine like this. This is the shape of the birdhouse. And then I'm gonna add some color because mine's on white paper. And then I will, I'm gonna add some color. And so you should have 3 popsicle sticks. Now mine are colored because I don't have, and I'm gonna add mine to the sides and the bottom. Where's your paper there, Lily?
Right here.
So you're gonna cut it out?
These are not good. These are not
Oh
good.
no. They gave you the not sharp scissors?
No, these are from the drive-thru.
From the drive-thru? Okay, I'm sorry they're not sharp enough. Well,
Hey, these are cutty things, so they look like.
yeah, I know. I've seen some before. How about you color your birdhouse then if you can't cut it out? Maybe you can do cutting later. I'm gonna color my heart in the middle of mine red because I don't have the sticker. But there's a sticker that came in the kit. Sasha and Amelia have the sticker that goes in the middle. You have a sticker, yes. You can put your sticker on yours. And when your kit shows up, girls, you guys will have, you'll be able to make yours. I am coloring mine on my birdhouse. And I think I want to do yellow because it looks very nice and sunny.
Yeah, because I got red like you.
That looks good. I'm gonna make my birdhouse kind of like rainbow colors. Who wants to do that too? You can add some colors on it. You can add some polka dots. You can add some flowers. Oh, very nice, Sasha. Okay, we're gonna glue the sticks on. Do you have your glue, Sasha? We're gonna glue our 3 sticks. 2 on the top, and 1 on the bottom. So I'm gonna show you mine, girls. I'm gonna put my camera down for a minute. Here's how I'm coloring mine, just to add some fun color. Your paper's light purple, but you can add colors too. What's going on with my camera? Here's how I'm coloring mine. I did red in the middle, and I'm doing orange and yellow, and I'm gonna add some more colors in a minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna do rainbow.
Beautiful. It will look very fancy.
Yeah, mine's a do rainbow.
And you should have a heart sticker and a bird sticker.
Yeah, I'm
You should
gonna
have
do
a little blue bird sticker, and you should have a heart sticker. I gave all my stickers out, so Ariel, your sticker and your bird thing will come in the mail along with Lily and Siabu. Yours will be in the mail, girls. Yeah, I'm coloring my birdhouse. I'm making it very colorful. Uh-oh, Ms.Julie's stick is not sticking. I need more glue. Got my glue, and I'm sticking it on. 2 sticks at the top and 1 at the bottom.
There you go.
Whoa. Oh, Ariel's got her yellow scissors. She's ready to cut. Good job, Ariel. Ariel does a great job with her cutting practice. How's it going? Oh, rainbow colors coming at you from Amelia. All right, that stick isn't working, so I need a new stick. I need a new stick, friends. Aisha, did you glue your sticks on? I see them on your table. Are you gonna glue them on to your birdhouse? Okay, I'm gonna show mine to the camera, show you what mine looks like so far. I'm gonna add more colors. Girls, are you gonna make polka dots or stripes or hearts on yours? Or a rainbow? Oh, Siabu's got different scissors. Maybe you can use Siabu's, Lily. She can share with you. Okay, I'm gonna color some more. I have green, I'm gonna add blue, maybe pink. Maybe pink. All right. What happened? Saisha, what did you have to say? Are you done coloring, Saisha?
Yes.
Oh my, you are very quick. It looks beautiful. How about you trace those bird letters on that paper of yours? I know you didn't do all of those. I see that bird paper in front of you. Oh, Ariel's concentrating hard. Amelia's doing more colors. All right, what other color should I add to mine? Pink, I was gonna say, right? Pink. Pink.
Purple. I got purple.
Now you're gonna need to color it. You think it was? Let's see. And you're gonna put
Girls, this is your practice for when your other one shows up in the mail. Lily, Siabu, and Ariel. So you can make another one when your package shows up. Yeah, this is your practice one. All right, mine is done. I love it. Here's Miss Julie's. I did colors.
Almost at the top now because I'm already at the
You're doing great. You're doing great. Oh, good. I'm glad you have the scissors now that cut, Lily.
Ha, I have the idea. Let's paint pink.
Okay. Looks nice. You're doing a great job. Do you have your sticks? Do you have some sticks to put on there? Siabu?
Yeah.
You do? Oh, good. All right. We are, you guys can keep coloring. I'm going to review our bird unit. We are going to be done with it. And then we will sing our Mother's Day song so we can practice for Sunday.
You want the
All
cake?
right. You guys can listen while I review the birds. What? Does anyone remember any of the names of the birds? Does anyone remember any of the birds? I have all their pictures right here. I'm holding them up. Maybe some of the birds. Oh, I love it. It looks nice. Put it to up. Saisha, you have to glue the sticks on. Are you going to do that in a little bit? Yeah, you have to put the sticks on them. Okay. So there is the very popular bird is called the robin. I bet we all have robins near our home. Even though we live in different places, I bet one of the popular birds we all have near us is called the American robin. So if you go out and take a nature walk, this one may be easy to find. American robin. So maybe if you go out for a nature walk this weekend, you can look for the American robin. It's got a reddish orange belly and a brownish black head. And there's lots of them around. So you guys could probably find one. If you go to a nature preserve place, you can see different types, species of birds. This one is called the woodpecker. Who's heard of the woodpecker before? Woodpecker takes his beak and pecks the tree. And yes, Amelia.
Where did the sticks go?
Okay, I'm gonna hold mine up. Look, Amelia. Even though mine are colored, they go in the same spots. On the roof and on the bottom.
Why?
Make a triangle at the top and one along the bottom.
Okay, I know.
Ese ya lo pusiste con glue.
Okay.
Put glue on it.
So this one was the woodpecker. He looks for worms and bugs, insects inside the tree. He pecks the tree with his beak. And then he can tell if there's any insects in there. He's black and white. Very nice. This one is a very pretty bird, but I'm not sure where they live. It's called the goldfinch. He's yellow. Yellow. And it might be in the warmer areas because he's got that yellow color. He's like a tropical bird. So if you're very interested, you can look up a bird video and you can find out more about where they live. Because I haven't seen this one by my house. Maybe in California, where our other friends live, they have these birds nearby. How about this one? This one's called the blue jay. The blue jay. You've seen a blue jay before? Wow. Good job. I've seen the cardinal, and I think I've seen a blue jay a few times too. There's not as many of these, but they're still around. Good job.
Okay, on the court.
Oh, here's the one I told you, the cardinal.
Okay.
Bright red cardinal bird. Got even a red beak. Look at that.
Exactly. Is that?
Yes. Good job. It's very cute. I love it. And I love all your colors. Okay, sounds good. You'll have to tape a string on the back to hang it up. Probably a string won't stay the glue. Here's called the mockingbird. Mockingbird. He's kind of gray. Yeah, mockingbird.
Mockingbird.
Yeah. This one is called the mourning dove. They're very popular. They're all over. These guys like to live by my house. They made a nest on my back porch. They made a nest by my front door. They make lots of nests. There's lots of these mourning doves. All right, we're going to play a game really quick, so I need your listening ears on, okay? Now, forgive me because I don't know animal sounds that well, but we're going to make some bird sounds, and you're going to tell me what bird I'm sounding like or something close. Give me a little bit of it. Okay. Gobble, 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 gobble. What kind of bird is that supposed to be? Gobble,
Bluebird.
gobble, 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 gobble. Sometimes we eat this kind of bird in Thanksgiving. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Turkey.
Turkey, Amelia got it. I know. Ms.Julie is not good at animal impressions, but I'm trying. That's all that matters. So that's the turkey. He's the turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. I don't know. Okay, here's another one. Hoo, 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 hoo. You can find it. Oh, I heard you. Lily, was that you? Lily, did you say owl? Ooh.
Yeah.
Yes, good job. The owl. I tried. You can usually hear them if you're quiet in the forest. You can hear the owls. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Next one is on the farm. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh,
On the farm. Does anyone know what I'm trying to tell?
I need
Amelia does.
to
Say that one more time, Amelia.
duck.
Very good. The duck. Duck. Ariel, can you make a duck sound for me? Ariel, how would you make the duck sound? Are you tired today, Ariel? You're a little quiet today, Ariel. Do you know how to make a duck sound? She's posing. She's looking all cute there. Okay, Ariel, how about this one? Caw, 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 caw. Does anyone know? Yeah, what would that one be called?
I need to sit there for Mom.
Has anyone heard of a crow before? Crow?
Listen this. Good children.
Yes, Siabu.
Let's put a zigzag.
Okay. How does that go?
I want to pick a zigzag right here.
On the top, make a triangle like the roof of a house. 1 and then 2. Yeah, like that, just like you're holding them up. You're doing a good job. All right, guys. Did I forget any birds? Yes, I did. I forgot the chicken. Everyone make the chicken sound. What does the chicken say? 1, 2, 3. Cluck, 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 cluck. On your house, guys. Yeah. Oh, you guys got the smiles on your faces. Oh, yeah, that's great. Okay, guys. We got to practice our Mother's Day songs. Because Mother's Day is on Sunday. Okay, so let me share my screen for the Mother's Day song. Let's share the screen for the Mother's Day song. And we can sing it to our mothers or grandmothers or anyone that loves the Mother's Day song. Share. Okay, I'm gonna hit the volume so we make sure everybody hears the song today. Figured it out why it wasn't working last time. All right, here's a moment. Try to learn the words.
Do you know what day it is? I have a little song for you. Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Here's a gift I'll give to you on this Mother's Day. I'll clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day.
Do we all sing it? I bet.
Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Here's a gift I'll give to you on this Mother's Day. I'll clean my room, I'll make my bed, I'll put my toys away. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. I'll be good just for you on this Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day!
Wow, that was a good one.
I heard it.
Yeah, everybody could hear it. And I saw some awesome dancing. Are you guys gonna dance when you sing the song too? You're gonna put, oh my, you were dancing around. You had some moves. You were good. And then we had the other one that Ms.Julie made up. It goes to the happy birthday song, right? It goes, Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Happy Mother's Day to you. I like Amelia's. Let's do that part. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to a heart. I love you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Like that with your hand. That'd be great. I like that. Oh, I see Ariel. That was good, guys. That was awesome.
Your babysitter.
All right. All right, guys. So I did send you these coloring, and Amelia's already coloring hers. I did send you these coloring ones. It was in your kit. It was in your package. So Amelia and Ariel, Lily. No, Amelia has hers. Lily, Siabu, and Ariel.
Get out of here.
Color these. You can sign your name for your mother. Okay. This could be your card for a Mother's Day card. Okay. You can color this or paint it. If you want to paint it, make it fancy with stickers and glitter on it, and it will be beautiful, and your mom will love it.
I have glitters on mine.
You're not gonna put glitter on yours?
I said yeah.
Oh, that'll be nice, fancy.
No.
That'll be good. Great. Okay, so next week we start letter Z. So if you can think of a Z word or something to share with letter Z with me next week, I would love that, because it is another tricky word. And we're going to be talking about bumblebees next time. So we'll have some bumblebee projects, but also letter Z. So, if you want to share something with me, Ariel, I would love to have something shared by you. All right, girls, we are going to be out of time. Go outside and enjoy your nice weather, the sunshine, and have a good weekend, and listen to your mothers for Mother's Day. Maybe help clean up your toys so you don't have a mess. And we'll see everybody next week. Okay, guys?
Okay, bye. Bye.
Thank you for listening.